Trader, guess what I have? Oh, yes, you bet. SPX index. That bull is hitting the top of resistance. The jobs data on Friday, we had a pullback, then we have a big gap, and it's right in to the top, and we can easily make another high in the SPX. It only takes those AI stocks as we buy. We're above the 10-day. We're above the 20. It's tilting up, not down. You had a sell signal, but now we're back to what we call October volatility buy signal. Momentum is up. CCI is up. Fast stochastic is still above 70. It's at 71. Nonetheless, there's a lot of things that when we take a look at the chart and we take a look at the month of October, we know that volatility can happen both ways. You can get exuberant buying, you can get people chasing, you can get people that don't pay attention to data, all kinds of reasons that we can break above that bull top and possibly go up another 2 or 3 days. It can happen. This is the month of October. Yes, volatility increases. Yes, you have all the check marks, but you have that in September. And September turned out to be a good month. There was little pullbacks, The only reason why we look at the SPX or the SPY or any of them the way that we do is if they do break above resistance, then it's another buy. That's the good thing about it. But we're going to see what will happen next week. And we have to close above the trend line on the SPX. There's 500 stocks in the index. It's all in the description. You can see where that 20-day is reaching up and you got a back above. You were below the 10-day. Now you gap above the 10-day. So instead of it being resistance, of course it's going to be support. You already know. Once again, buy now, pay later program. Review it. It's on the home page. It's designed and set up just for you.